Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's jump right into it. Today, find out how the price of Bitcoin has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, RSI, divergence and stochastic RSI show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. By taking a look at the hourly time frame for Bitcoin, the price moved up with around 2.2% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of $20,534. But the volume wasn't very high, so the move wasn't very strong. Looking at the hourly simple moving averages, the price broke the 20 SMA to the upside. It's a strong signal that there has been a higher than average volume. At the moment, the price is between the 20 and the 200 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 20,315, it could be seen as a support, and the 200 SMA that is at 20,655 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. It's important to note that currently the price is below the 200 SMA, which is normally a strong resistance. A potential move upwards, however, could be signaled if it were to break decisively upwards. Jumping to the hourly relative strength index, the current hourly RSI is at 57, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. On the lookout for divergences in the hourly time frame, the price has already gone up owing to the last bullish divergence. Looking at the hourly stochastic RSI, the stochastic RSI currently shows no overbought or oversold conditions, but the %K line is below the %D line, which means the current trend is on the downside. Moving to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the current price is above all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bullish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 200 SMA, could hold support, or the price will break it to the downside below the current price of around 20,411. Pointedly, the current price is above the 200 SMA, which is perceived as a strong support. Nevertheless, if there were to be a decisive downward dip, it will signal a possible big move down. Jumping to the 3-hourly relative strength index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 56, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Jumping to the 3-hourly stochastic RSI, both the %K and %D lines are in the higher region, which means that the price is getting overbought and soon a trend change or at least some kind of consolidation could be expected. The K line is currently located below the D line, meaning that there is a downwards trend. Moving to the daily simple moving averages, the current price is between the 20 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 20,403, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA that is at 23,916 could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Moving to the daily relative strength index, the current daily RSI is at 44, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. Moving to the daily stochastic RSI, there are no signs of the stochastic RSI being oversold or overbought at this time, but because the %K line is over the %D line, we can deduce that the trend is currently on the up. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.